Okay, hello guys. This might be my last video, in terms of the whole write-up, submission, and publication process. So I think in my last video, I described and explained, all the files that you need to collect, keep them in one place, and then, follow the journal instructions on how to submit and how to go along with their submission website and submission process. So finally, in this video, I just wanted to, summarize and share some experiences or some of the mistakes that I made or what I thought could have been avoided, looking back retrospectively. So main thing is to follow the journal instructions. Some journals will ask you to submit a summary box, a summary of what your results, convey. So make sure you follow those points based on the journal that you are submitting. Not saving all the files in one place was sometimes, I did that mistake, and then I was searching for a file, based on the reviewer's comments. Don't delete anything, always keep everything saved. Many times, the one of the painful process is to actually go back to the analysis. Like sometimes if they want a different type of forest plot, like there is one journal that asks for reference numbers to be mentioned alongside the author name in the forest plot. I mean, very difficult to do that. So this on CMA software can only be done if you save or if you enter those values like that in the CMA data entering sheet, on the meta-analysis software. So if you enter it with the study author name, year, and the number of reference in the brackets, then the final forest plot that gets generated will have those reference numbers in the brackets. If not, it will not come up. Many times you can ask the journal to use their own editorial office and typesetting people to make those changes. But if not, then you will have to, do those changes by yourself. So basically what I'm trying to say is if you collect your data and create your CMA data sheet in such a way that your forest plot has the relative weight of each study, maybe sometimes the outcomes of each group, mentioned on the forest plot, I-square percentage on the forest plot, the 95% prediction interval already mentioned on the forest plot, then you don't really have to add these information later on if some reviewer asks for it or if the journal asks for it. So these two, I think, have been my main redundancy kind of stuff, or repetition kind of stuff. Going back and doing things that I have experienced that you could avoid if you follow the points I just mentioned. Other than that, I think it's pretty much done. You have all your files, you have submitted it, wait for the reviewers comments, follow the comments, answer their responses, point by point response. Usually they will mention in the email, they will tell you how they want your responses to be reported. One file with all the track changes marked, and one file which is a clean file. So they will have those things mentioned on the email. Follow those instructions and submit the process, and good luck with your submission. Again, reach out to me. You have more information on forestplot.com. If there is any specific question, any details that is needed, again, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. Good luck with your process, and thank you for watching this video. And I hope, the information I've presented on the website and all these videos are of some use, for you to get started and get published. Good luck. Thank you.